the loop. As you can see with these reversing maneuvers, you don't do this in a helicopter when you're learning to fly. This is a whole new world with this. Now, this takes years of test flying, years of experience. And Chuck Aaron is a lot of time. And he's in the right machine. Now, the other thing that's unique about this helicopter will actually pull 6 positive and 3 negative Gs. Chuck is doing these maneuvers using half that. Because with a helicopter, you got a lot of moving parts. And when you have moving parts, they're expensive. So if you can use less power, less pressure, and exert less forces, your helicopter holds up better. Now, this type of flying requires the utmost of concentration. I mean, when somebody's doing aerobatics, they are in the zone. When someone's doing aerobatics in a helicopter, their zone is a whole lot narrower and a lot more particular. And the airplane starting up by us is at Tucano. That's going to fly, shortly. It's very interesting when you know the bio of Chuck Aaron. He's a very, very strong pilot. I mean, doing rolls in a helicopter. You look at it, it's like, is that an aileron roll? It doesn't have aileron.
You can see with all the fantastic flying Chuck is doing for you, you have to remember he is the only civilian pilot that's licensed to perform helicopter aerobatics in the United States. In fact, he's only 3 pilots permitted to do this internationally. He's the first helicopter pilot to be presented with the Art Show Showmanship Award, and he was born in Malibu, so sometimes he's referred to as Malibu Chuck in a helicopter. After devoting your back on the air again after a momentary power failure.
Today, Chuck, is one things you have to do in a helicopter. It's not just a matter because essentially those rotors become your wing, and obviously they're a propeller to keep you up there. When you just watch him land this machine on that trailer, which, believe me, is very, very difficult, he's going to make it look. What do you even say when you see something like that?